today we're gonna do a home brew. This is a chocolate vanilla oatmeal porter. It's been 2 weeks in the keg.
Okay.
My first keg one. I would say about 5 to 6 weeks in fermenters.
Okay.
In this, I guess I'll go over and I'll post it on the thing just so we know what's in it. 10 pounds of Otter, 2 pounds of Munich Malt, 1.128 ounces of flaked oats. Now, obviously, I just used 2 pounds.
Right.
Because I wasn't going to count that out. Then 1 pound of black malt.
Okay.
1 pound of chocolate malt, 1 pound of caramel 80L,
Okay.
and then 0.75 ounces of Northern Brewer hops. And I think
60 minutes?
Yeah, 60. But I think what I did on that is I just used the whole ounce.
Okay.
Instead of doing 3/4 and doing all that. Then at 20 minutes, 1 ounce of Willamette. I used 2 packages of Windsor Ale dry yeast, just because we've been having problems with some of the fermenting, so I went ahead and bumped it up to make sure that wasn't right, or that would be fine. Then in the secondary, I did 3 vanilla beans.
Okay.
And I also did cocoa nibs.
Oh, okay.
I did 4 ounces of cocoa nibs. I put both of them in Maker's Mark for 24 hours. Now, usually what they say is just fill it up a little bit past.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I did, and I got like the smallest bottle of Maker's Mark, and it took almost half of it.
Oh, jeez.
So if we start tasting anything weird, it could be because I poured the whole thing in there. So
Sure.
there is Maker's Mark in this.
Okay.
So we'll see how it smells, which pretty much all I can smell is like a porter. I can't smell chocolate. I can't smell vanilla.
No, not yet.
I can't taste chocolate. I can't taste vanilla yet.
Not yet. But I bet you if you age this, it's gonna.
Well,
start
yeah,
to-
and that's what I thought too. A porter's meant to be aged, not drank like a IPA
Sure.
or something like that. So
No, it's a good beer. It's got some potential. I'm sure it will get better with age. We'll have to see if that vanilla kind of shines through a little
Right.
later. I can tell there's some the oatmeal in here.
yeah, but that now about the oatmeal. I know from reading the posts and other blogs and all that, most people crush the oats
Mm-hmm.
in the mill.
Yep.
But on home brewing,
We say not to.
they actually cook them.
Really?
You make them just like oatmeal.
Like an oatmeal. Huh?
Yep.
Huh.
So that's what I did.
Oh, okay.
But this grain bill, and with the water and everything, when I got the grains in the water, because I only have a 10-ounce pot, or 10 gallon pot, by the time I got all that in, I was pretty much at the top, and I still had to add all the oats. So, I added almost all the oats.
Okay.
Now, when you take 2 pounds and add 3 gallons of water to it, it grows. So I had a huge pot filled, and I almost got it all in, but I stopped because I was all the way at the top.
So
So-
a little less than 2
Yep.
pounds, probably.
And that's where I'm guessing, as we can tell, it's not carved all the way, because I'm guessing there should be a head on this, and there's nothing.
Yeah, not yet. Could just be it needs a little longer in the keg to build that CO2 up. Most of the beers I've had have taken 2 weeks, but some of them take 3 weeks to get to the taste and the carb level that I'm
Right.
actually looking for.
And there's a little bite, and I don't know what it is.
It's probably a little bit from the CO2. Until that actually absorbs in there.
It gets in there, you're going to taste it.
Yeah, you can taste a little bite. You'll notice when we re-review the Kolsch coming up that it's going to have a little bit of a bite because of the CO2
in there
in the solution. So,
but I think overall for my first kegged beer, and yeah, for right now I'll take it.
That's right. Welcome to the dark side. Only one vessel to clean.
Yeah.
No more bottles.
Okay. So this is it. I'll put the recipe on in the actual YouTube link and all that, so that way everybody can see it if they want to make it.
Sure.
So, till next time, I'm Brad.
I'm Steve.
Happy brewing.